Hi, I'm going to explain how to use touch points. You can either add, subtract, or multiply with them. And you can even use it for kids that are learning how they can't remember what the numbers are. So if they touch on the points, then they can remember that. Or if they're using a one-to-one correspondence, they can use it. But the main one is for adding. So first of all, you need to kind of memorize where these points are. And each number has that many dots on it. One has a 1 point, two has 2 points, three has a 3. 4 is sometimes used in two different ways. So you would go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of like going around a little box. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, if you think about this as a little sideways guy, this is a little belly button right here because all the other ones are kind of on the corners. So on the 5, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on the 6 and the 7 and the 9 that I do, I've seen the 9 a different way. But on each of these, you're going to touch on the top, the middle, and the bottom, and then you double touch it. So on the 6, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you punch them in the nose for 7. And then on the 9, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's a little face, 7, 8, 9. And on the 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the way that you can add with these is if you have a number of 5 plus 6. First of all, teach that anytime you have two numbers you're adding, you don't, if you have, especially when you're doing these touch points, start with the biggest number so you don't have so many points to touch. So the 6 is bigger, so I'm going to start with the 6. So I'm just going to say 6, and then I start continuing counting. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You don't have to draw the points on here. You're just touching them. That's why they're called touch points. And actually, if you're busy doing a worksheet like this, people are going to think that you are pretty smart because you're busy doing this. So that's how you add. When you're going to subtract, if I have the number of 7 take away 5, I would just say the 7. I would have the 7 here, 7, and then I would subtract 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You can also multiply with these. If you're going to be counting by twos and you have 2 times 8, you're going to count by 2 on each point. So you're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And so if you can learn how to skip count by any number, counting by nines, or, well, you can count by anything as long as you, like if you're counting by threes, you're going to go 3 times 4. You go 3, 6, 9, 12. So that can help a lot in how to do many of those things. So thank you.